Ready for an adventure? Nothing can stop us. Whee! Splashing through! Oh no! I'm sinking deeper! Come on! Move! Move! This mud is stronger than I thought. I need more power! Oh no! I'm sinking deeper! Come on, move! This mud is stronger than I thought. I need more power! Full power! Come on! Come on! I almost made it! What? Now I'm even more stuck! Come on, you stupid mud! Engine! Why won't you let me go? This is so embarrassing and mine! Oh no! I'm completely stuck! I can't move forward! I can't move backward! Help! Help! Can anybody hear? I need another monster tractor! Help! Help! Is anybody out there? Huh? That sounds like Titan! Don't worry, buddy! I'm coming! Wait! Waiting! Hang on, Titan! I'm almost there! Knew you'd come, huh? Blaze, you came! I thought I'd be stuck here forever! Whoa, that's a serious mud trap. Don't worry, Titan. We'll get you out. I've already tried everything! Good thing you called a professional. Full power, Titan! I'm trying! Push with everything you've got! It's working! I'm moving! Let's go! Whoa! Woo! We did it, Titan! Yes! Yeah! We're free! Teamwork makes the dream. Let's go! Full power, Titan! I'm trying! Push with everything you've got! It's working! I'm moving! Let's go! We did it, Titan! Full power paid off! I'm out! You saved me, Blaze! Let's go! I'm free! I actually made it out! Told you we'd do it! Thanks, Blaze. I couldn't have escaped without you! That's what friends are for. That mud pit almost got me, see? That mud pit almost got me! But not today! Woo! We're the best team ever! Always, buddy. That was the biggest mud pit I've ever seen! And you almost became part of it forever. Thanks for pulling me out. Anytime, bud. Let's adventure? You know it! Monster tractors for me? That mud pit didn't stand a chance against us. Aside the tape roots thing for you. Teamwork. The sunset looks even better when you're rolling free.